This is the second video for combining like terms, and this one we're going to add in the distributive property. Hopefully you remember it from last year, but if not, this should be a refresher. First, I would like you to do these two review problems. This is what we did yesterday, just combine like terms. So take a few minutes to solve those real quick. Okay, let's combine like terms. 6 minus 8 is negative 2, and negative 7 minus 2n is negative 9n, or minus 9n. So there's the answer for that one. And for number 2, I'm going to add 1 and negative 6, so that's 1 minus 6, which is negative 5. And then 5v plus, there's technically a 1 there, is 6v. And these are not in standard form. Probably the next lesson we'll go over standard form if you don't remember what it is. Okay, so that's that for the review. Now we're going to do a little bit of the distributive property. So let's look at a few examples here. Let's look at 3 times 7x minus 3. Now with the distributive property, it's always going to be multiplying, which is what it shows right here, 3 times the quantity that's inside there. And it's either going to be adding or subtracting inside. So division is never going to be involved with the distributive property. For distributive property, you're actually distributing that 3. So 3 times 7x. And if that helps, you can write it out. And then you're also doing 3 times, so plus 3 times, this is a negative 3 because the sign comes with it. So negative 3. Now we simplify. 3 times 7x is 21x. 3 times negative 3 is a negative 9. Those are not like terms, so it's done. So hopefully you remember doing that. Let's look at another one. Let's do negative 4 times 6n plus 5. Okay. Negative 4 times 6n, if it helps, again, you can write it out. And then put a minus, because this is a negative 4, times 5. And I'm okay if you skip this step. If you're good with a distributive property, you can go ahead and go right to the answer. Negative 4 times 6n is negative 24n. Negative 4 times 5 is minus 20. Okay, let's try one more with just the distributive property. This one's going to have 3 terms inside of it. So let's do negative 7 times 6p minus 2r minus 3. So this time you're distributing 3 times. You're doing negative 7 times 6p, and then you're doing negative 7 times the middle term, which is negative 2r, and then you're doing negative 7 times negative 3. Okay, and now you do order of operations. So basically you're multiplying these two together, and these two together. Negative 7 times 6p is negative 42p. Negative 7 times negative 2r is a positive 14r. Negative 7 times negative 3 is a positive 21. None of them are like terms, so you're done. And if you have any more questions on the distributive property, feel free to call me over or come over and see me. I'll help. Now, we're going to move on and combine like terms with the distributive property. So you're going to start by doing distributive property, then you're going to have to combine like terms. So let's look at, this one is negative 2 And then inside parentheses is negative 3k plus 4. and then outside is minus 7. Okay, first let's distribute. Negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6, and bring down the k. Negative 2 times that positive 4 is negative 8. Bring down that minus 7. Combine any like terms. So these are like terms, so I'm going to do negative 8 minus 7, which is negative 15. And that's it. They are not like terms, so that's as far as I can go. Okay, let's look at another one. And feel free to pause this whenever you want and try it on your own. This is negative 2 plus 5 times 4 plus 3r minus 7r. Okay, now I'm going to distribute. So bring down that negative 2, and then 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times that 3r is a positive 15r, and bring down the minus 7r. Now I'm going to combine like terms. Negative 2 plus 20 is 18. And here, 15r minus 7r is a positive 8r. I can't go any further, so that's my final answer. Okay, let's look at another one here. This is negative j plus 2 minus 2j. Now here with the negative sign in front of it, that's basically a negative 1. If it helps, you can put like a little 1 in front of it to remind you that that's a negative 1 that you're multiplying both of these terms by. So let's do it. Negative 1 times negative j is now a positive j. Negative 1 times 2 is minus 2, or negative 2. And bring down this minus 2j. Combine like terms. This is 1j minus 2j, that's a negative j. And then minus 2. And that's as far as you can go with combining like terms on that one. Okay, now let's do another one, but with 3 terms. So kind of like this one, but with a little bit more. Let's do 3n plus 3 times 1 plus 7m minus 8n minus 9m. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is distribute that 3 to all 3 terms. So bring down the 3n plus 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7m is a positive 21m. And 3 times negative 8n is negative 24n. And bring down the minus 9m. Okay, now you're going to combine any like terms that you see. I see a 3n and a negative 24n. So 3 minus 24 is negative 21n. And then with the m's, I see I have a 21 and a 9. 21 minus 9 is a positive 12m. 3 does not have anything to combine with, so I'm just going to bring that down. And that is as far as I can go. I can't combine anything else. So hopefully by now you have a good feel of it. I have 3 more for you to do on your own and check with the computer, and then you will be able to move on with the assignments. So this is You Try. And please do these in your notes as well. This is part of your notes. So number 7 is 8 times 7x plus 8. So go ahead and try that one. Eight times 7x is 56x. 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, so that's all that was with that one. Let's do number 8. Negative 5 times 8v minus 2, and then plus 12. So go ahead and try that one. For this one, distribute the negative 5. Negative 5 times 8v is a negative 40v. Negative 5 times that negative 2 makes it a positive 10. Bring down the plus 12. And I'm going to combine like terms. So negative 40v plus 22. And the last one. Number 9. Let's see, this is going to be 2w minus 8 times 5 minus 3v plus 2w plus 9v. So go ahead and try that one and see what you get. Distribute that negative 8. There's a negative there, so hopefully you distributed the negative. So I'm going to bring down the 2w. Negative 8 times 5 is a negative 40. Negative 8 times negative 3 is a positive 24, and bring the v with it. Negative 8 times 2 is minus 16, bring the w, and then bring down that 9v. Now I'm going to combine any like terms I see. I have a 2w minus 16w, that's a negative 14w. For the v's, I have 24 plus 9, and that's a positive 33v. And let's see, do I have anything else? I have a negative 40, so minus 40. And I think that is all I can do. Okay, so that is it for the notes. You can go ahead and find the assignment on Schoology.